Hello, guys. And what I'm going to do today is tell you about a free gift that I have for you. All I want you to do is click on the link below, and I'm going to give you a free book. It's one of the books I've written. It's called Pro Card Magic for Beginners, Volume 1. And it's an excellent book. Okay, it has 12 chapters. It's set up in a modern version of like a Royal Road to Card Magic kind of thing, but it's my own book. I've taken some of the very best sleights for card magic and putting not only the sleights but which routines to use with them. Um, so I go over chapter 1, simple card controls, and then several effects to use with that. Some self-working card magic in there as well, really strong stuff. Uh, Chapter 2, some more different kinds of card controls, secret card controls, then cut to any number. Chapter 3 is some more powerful master card controls. And then I show routines to use with the sleights as well. Then I show some of the best palming methods. I show my ambitious card routine, well, one of them, I have many. Then I have recommended reading for you beginners, some of the very best books to get. So this is a free book, so all I want you to do is put in your email below, or click the link and go to the page, put in your email, and you'll be redirected. You'll be sent this free book that you can download now. Thank you.